This is another problem from homework 100. It is on the back side is the interest equals principal times rate times time, or simply the interest problem. Again, this is simply a formula. Okay, for the most part, it's just a formula. I equals PRT. You are supposed to know that. There's a few tricks. First of all, let me read it and show you how I got the data. It says Oliver invests $1,030 in an account earning a simple interest at a rate of 2% for 5 years. How much interest does he earn? Okay, so the 1,030, that is the principal. Okay, so the amount that you invest, the amount that you borrow, whatever it is, the large amount of money that you start with is the principal. So that's the principal. Okay, P-L-E instead of P-A-L, which would be like the principal of the school. So that's the only vocabulary word that usually throws people off. The next thing is your 2% needs to be converted to a decimal. And then years, the time is always in years. So if they say 6 months for time, you need to put in 1/2 or 0.5, not 6. Again, if they say 6 months, you have to convert that to a part of a year. Okay, so we simply plug the numbers in. For the principal, for P, we put 1030. For the rate, we put 0.02. For the years, we put 5. And then you multiply them all together, usually with a calculator, but if you have to do it by hand, you can do that. And you get I equals 103, which in this sense means $103. So for the first question, which is how much interest did he earn, the answer is 103. However, for the 8th graders, they tack on this extra question, which is what is the total amount earned? And what that means is, yes, we earned $103 interest, but if we went into that account and we took it all out today, how much money would we get? Well, we'd get the original amount, 1,030, plus the 103 interest, right? So you'd have to add your interest back to your original investment, and you get 1,133. But again, keep in mind, you have I equals PRT. They give you 3. You solve for the one that they didn't give you. They could give you I and P and R, and you have to solve for T. Anything, any combination. They'll leave one on that they haven't given you, and that's the one you have to find.